Hello everyone. 안녕하세요. 오늘도 반갑습니다. Welcome to Hangry class. My name is Hangry, your Korean class teacher. As saying goes, stay hungry, stay foolish. This is our third class for consonants. We have learned digeut and neon so far. We are going to learn digeut today, and the remaining 11 consonants will be covered in following classes. Let's get started with the shape of digeut. Digeut looks like a desk, but fallen on its side. When writing digeut, a horizontal line should be drawn first, then a vertical line from up to down, and a horizontal line from the left to the right boldly. Digeut, digeut, digeut. It looks like a desk on its side. Now we will learn how digeut sounds. Digeut sounds like this sound in English. The desk, the dog, the drink, the drive. As noticed, digeut sounds like this sound. Like with the previous classes, to better remember the shape and the sound of digeut, we will make a story. Okay, have a look at this picture. Two dogs drink and drive, bumping into a desk. Two dogs drink and drive, bumping into a desk. Which implies in Korean, 두 마리의 개가 음주 운전을 하다가 책상에 부딪혔습니다. Now it's time for new Korean words with digeut. digeut, 다람쥐, digeut, 돌다리, digeut, 당근, digeut, 다이아몬드. At first, please find digeut or digeuts in each word. For example, in 다람쥐, there is one digeut. Then how many digeut in 돌다리? That's right. There are two digeuts. In 당근, there is one digeut. In 다이아몬드, we have two digeuts. Now you can clearly recognize the shape of digeut. Let's go to the sound of digeut. Listen carefully to the Korean words we covered today. the 다람쥐, the 돌다리, the 당근, the 다이아몬드. Can you tell the difference between the sound of the 다람쥐 and the desk? They are almost same sounds. So this is all for today. Did you enjoy it? Have a good day everyone and see you next class again. 다음에 또 만나요. 안녕.